Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid accidental motor movement. Next, remove visible screws and the window crank or power switch to expose the inner lip. Use a plastic trim tool to pry the door panel off. Work slowly so clips don't break. Once the panel is loose, peel back the vapor barrier only enough to reach the regulator and motor. Keep the barrier intact for resealing. Now you can see the glass mounting bolts and regulator bolts. Prepare a rag and socket set. Once access is clear, position the glass so you can reach the mounting bolts through the access holes. If the motor is stuck, manually support the glass and use 1/2-inch tape or a wedge to hold it. Unplug the motor wiring harness, then remove the motor to regulator bolts. Set the motor aside if reusing. Next, remove the regulator mounting bolts while supporting the assembly. Guide the regulator down and out of the door through the window opening. Handle springs and cables carefully to avoid spring tension injuries. Installation is the reverse process. Feed the new regulator into the door, align mounting holes, and loosely start bolts so you can adjust glass position. Reattach the motor and plug the harness back in, then support the glass and tighten all bolts to specification. Reconnect the battery and operate the switch while watching glass travel. Make sure it seals and moves smoothly without binding. Once satisfied, remove supports, reseat the vapor barrier, snap the door panel back on, and reinstall trim. If the window binds,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.